How to fix Instagram couldn't post story problem. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. Actually, it's very easy to solve, so all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here, and go to Instagram. After this, on this page you will find all the app informations. All what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the data usage, scroll down, and then disable the roaming data and the background data and enable them again like this, and make sure that all the options are enabled. Go back and this time click on the storage. Here, all what you have to do is click on clear cache. This is the first step, and then click on clear data. Go back, click on force stop, and now turn off your phone and turn it on again. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.